Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to earn reward by sharing referral code in Shein application on an Android device. Okay, some referral programs offer exclusive reward such as access to special promotions, yearly access to new features, or premium benefits. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Shein application. Okay, so here click profile icon and look for more services option. Okay, after that swipe to the left side and then you can select share and earn option. Okay, so in this page you can copy your referral link and share it to your friend or colleague. On the other hand, you can also directly click here and share it to your social media such as WhatsApp story or Instagram story. Okay, and if you want to check the rules of earning reward, you can see it here. There are 3 steps to earn rewards by sharing your referral code. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to earn reward by sharing referral code in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.